Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make oxygen in a laboratory. We will explore two primary methods, the catalytic decomposition of hydrogen peroxide and the electrolysis of water. You will learn about the necessary materials and the step-by-step processes for each. Additionally, we will cover essential safety precautions and how to properly test for the presence of oxygen gas. This guide aims to provide clear, practical instructions for safe and effective oxygen production. One of the easiest ways to produce oxygen in the lab is by decomposing hydrogen peroxide. This compound, typically a 3% solution, slowly breaks down into water and oxygen. To significantly speed up this process, we add a small amount of manganese oxide, which acts as a catalyst. You'll observe rapid fizzing as oxygen gas is produced, which can then be collected over water in a gas jar. This method is straightforward and yields a good volume of oxygen. Another fascinating method is the electrolysis of water, which uses electricity to separate water into its elemental components, hydrogen and oxygen. Pure water is not a good conductor, so adding a small amount of an electrolyte, such as table salt or dilute sulfuric acid, is crucial. When an electric current passes through, oxygen gas forms at the positive electrode, while hydrogen gas forms at the negative electrode. You will notice approximately twice as much hydrogen gas produced compared to oxygen. Safety is paramount when working with oxygen. Remember, while oxygen itself does not burn, it intensely supports combustion, making flammable materials ignite much more readily. Always keep open flames and heat sources at least 5 feet away from your setup. Wear safety goggles to protect your eyes and ensure good ventilation. To confirm you've produced oxygen, simply insert a glowing wooden splint into the collected gas. If it relights with a bright flame, you have successfully made oxygen.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.